Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix the camera app not working on Motorola Razr 70. So first open the camera app, and if it's not working, then go into the settings, then find apps, and you probably have it in recently opened, but you can click see all, and right here find the camera. Then you can force stop it, then storage and cache and clear cache. Also restart your phone, and then everything should work as normal. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.